Alright, let's get started. When we think of judges, we think of impartiality, fairness and justice. But what happens when these esteemed individuals decide to swap their judicial robes for political attire? Is it right for a judge to become a politician? And most importantly, is it legal? Today, we'll explore the legal framework, ethical considerations and real-life examples to understand this complex issue. Here is a quick overview of what we're going to cover. 1. The legal provisions governing judges and the transition to politics. 2. Ethical concerns and public perception. 3. Case studies and notable instances of judges turning to politics. 4. Judicial commentaries and expert opinions. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the legal side of things. In India, the Constitution and various judicial pronouncements have set clear guidelines about the roles and responsibilities of judges. According to Article 124, Clause 7 of the Indian Constitution, a retired Supreme Court judge is prohibited from pleading or acting in any court or before any authority within the territory of India. So, what about entering into politics? Interestingly, there is no explicit legal provisions that bars a judge from joining politics after retirement. However, the spirit of the law emphasizes impartiality and independence of the judiciary. The case of Justice Ranganath Mishra, who after serving as the Chief Justice of India joined the Rajya Sabha as a member of the Indian National Congress in 1998, which sparked widespread debate. Now, let's move on to the ethical side. The transition of judges to politics raises significant ethical questions. The primary concern is about the perception of impartiality. If a judge who is supposed to be above political bias joins a political party, it might lead to people questioning the impartiality of the judiciary. Let's consider the famous case of Justice P. Sathasivam. After retiring as the Chief Justice of India in 2014, he was appointed as the Governor of Kerala. This appointment was controversial, with many arguing that it has compromised the perceived independence of the judiciary. Ethics also come into the play with the idea of a cooling off period. Some suggest that judges should wait for a certain period after retirement before entering politics to avoid any conflict of interest. However, as of now, there is no such mandatory requirements in India. To better understand this issue, let's look at some notable instances. Justice Baharul Islam is another prominent example. He resigned from the Supreme Court to contest the elections on a Congress ticket and later was reappointed to the court. Such instances blur the line between judiciary and politics. Justice Markandey Katju, known for his outspoken nature, has often voiced his opinion on this subject. He argues that judges joining the politics undermines the public trust in the judicial system. These cases highlight the ongoing tension between legal allowances and ethical expectations. Now, let's hear what the experts have to say. Former Chief Justice of India, Justice Venkatachaliah, emphasized the importance of maintaining the judiciary's independence. He remarked, judges must resist the temptation to join politics to preserve the sanctity and impartiality of the judicial office. Similarly, Justice J.S. Verma pointed out, while the law may not explicitly prohibit such transitions, the moral compass must guide judges to uphold the dignity of the office or even after their retirement. On the other hand, some argue that judges having a deep understanding of the law and constitution can contribute positively to the legislative process. This view was echoed by Justice Ruma Pal, who believed that the experience of judges could benefit the political arena. So, what have we learned today? The legality of judges joining politics in India is not explicitly barred by law, but it certainly raises a significant ethical and moral questions. The need to maintain the impartiality and independence of the judiciary is paramount. While some believe that judges can bring valuable insights into politics, others argue that it undermines the public trust in the judicial system. In conclusion, the debate around judges joining politics is far from simple. It requires a delicate balance between legal provisions and ethical considerations. As citizens, it's essential for us to stay informed and engage in discussions about such critical issues. Thank you for joining us in this insightful discussion. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next time. Take care and bye-bye.